Hello and welcome to this lesson of the course. We'll finish the modeling part. For example, we'll give more detail to the sails and we'll use the Sculpt module to complete the shape of the mermaid. Let's begin. Select the Mainsail, activate the Points mode and grab the Loop Selection tool. While holding Shift, select these points, these others, and the ones on the center. Be careful and try not to select any other points by accident. Double check that and hide the ship if you need to. Now drag the points forward a bit. Place this plane inside of a subdivision surface. Select the subdivision surface and, in the attributes, lower the values of Subdivision Editor and Subdivision Renderer to 1. If you need to tweak the position of the mainsail, do it. And then repeat the process with the other sail. Alright, now go to Layout and select Sculpt. This module works similar to ZBrush. That is, there's a series of tools that allow us to model and sculpt anything. We won't go into much depth, actually, but you will see how much of an improvement we'll get on the shape of the mermaid. Here we have the tools, and next to them is the config panel. Let's switch to the Objects panel and let's select the mermaid. Press Subdivide twice to increase the level of detail. See? There are more polygons now. Let's turn off the grid by going to Filter, Grid. We'll be using these tools in Symmetry to improve the shape. We are aiming for a low poly scene, so we won't do anything complicated. In any case, this will be good as an introduction to the Sculpt module. As I said before, these tools work similar to the ones present in ZBrush. For example, the Knife tool can be used to generate groups or furrows on the model. If you go to the Symmetry tab and check the X box, the tool will work in Symmetry. This allows you to work on both halves of the model at the same time. In the Settings tab, you can adjust the size of the tool and the pressure of it. You can try this by yourself, as we won't go too much into detail here. I suggest that you reduce the size and leave the pressure on 20%. Also leave the box checked. Now apply the Knife tool on the arms. If you hold the Shift key while using the tool, you'll soften the result. It will be similar to adding water to clay. Keep applying the tool to improve the shape. If need be, reduce the size of the tool. Okay, this is enough. As you can see, there are many other tools here, but we won't talk about all of them in this course. But, for example, the Grab tool would be the equivalent of the Move brush on ZBrush. It stretches the geometry. If you reduce the size of the tool, you can work more precisely. Let's go to the flag and use the Grab tool to generate the undulation. Click on the Objects panel and then select the flag. Choose the Grab tool and uncheck the box in the Symmetry options. Now increase the size. Even though the slider only gets to 100, you can enter a higher number, for example 300. Now apply the tool like this. See how it looks now? Do the same with the other flag. Alright, with this we will have finished working on the ship. Now it will be a good time to keep more detail to whatever we think needs it. Let me go back to the standard layout first. Did you notice that we have a new icon next to the mermaid on the Objects panel? That means that we subdivided this element. It's something that I forgot to mention before. We subdivided the mermaid, but we didn't leave it like it was at the beginning. So let's return to the Sculpt module. Select the mermaid and take a look. Here we can decrease the subdivision level to invert the process. See, the object has changed. As we are working with a low poly setting, the less subdivisions the better. But just so you know, you can click on Increase to increase the subdivision level. As the subdivision levels go up, there will be more detail. Regarding the flags, this icon didn't appear because it only shows up when we subdivide an object. For example, if I select the flag and click on Subdivide, the icon appears. Let's go back to the standard layout. What else can we do here? I have an idea. Create a plane and scale it up. This will be the sea. Lower it. Now let's give it some detail. Given that this lesson is about the Sculpt module, we can practice the use of the tools with this plane. As I told you before, you need to make the object editable first. Click twice on Subdivide. You can choose from a variety of tools. Let's begin with the Grab tool. Go to the Symmetry tab and check the X box. Now generate some bumps on the plane. If you want, you can uncheck the box again. Or, instead of bumps, you can generate depressions on the plane. I suggest that you practice with these tools. Let's grab now the Knife tool. Uncheck the box in the Symmetry tab and apply the tool on the plane. Try the Inflate tool and see what it does. And try any of them, really. If you need more detail, just click on Subdivide. Go back to the standard layout and check the scene. Alright, I think we are done. If you want, you can generate more elements to the scene. For example, a couple of birds or some clouds. It's up to you. Do you want to present just this model? Do you want to create an illustration where the ship is surrounded by other elements? Depending on what you want, you might want to add more elements or not. Well, this is the end of the lesson. In the next one, we'll apply some colors and we'll upload the model to the internet. See you!